Hey guys, I had a question in the chat about MDMA. So I wanted to talk about some therapeutics, okay, that help people with anxiety, PTSD, and such. So starting off low, you have marijuana, which you could take in edible form, or you could smoke. Okay, this helps cancer patients regain their appetites, and it works. It's becoming legal in every state, slowly, but it will get there, okay? Then you have ketamine nasal sprays. Now, ketamine used to be a club drug, but it's also used in surgery to put people under. Anesthesiologists use it. But the thing about ketamine is they're trying to get away from that. However, ketamine nasal spray goes directly to the brain, and in microdose form, it helps treat depression, anxiety, all that stuff. Okay? Then you have MDMA. MDMA used to be a club drug, okay, at a certain dosage, but at a lower dosage, it's treating vets. It's being used to treat, a wide range of anxieties, depressions, things of that nature. You also have psilocybin mushrooms. Now notice everything that I'm telling you, all these drugs were illegal, okay? Illegal. Marijuana was a class 1, okay? It was up there with fentanyl. It's just ridiculous. It's a plant. So, psilocybin mushrooms. So what you do is, a cap is usually a gram, okay? And when I say a cap, I mean the cap on the mushroom, because you have the stem and you have the cap, okay? If you wanted to trip, you would take like 3 caps, okay? Now what you do, instead of taking 3 grams or 1 gram, okay, is you take 0.1 gram, 0.1 gram. That's called microdosing, okay? And that basically rewires and resets your brain, okay? There's all sorts of things that you can do naturally besides that to help with anxiety and depression. You could take what's called theanine, which is the active ingredient in green tea, okay? You can take 5-HTP, okay, which is the relaxing feeling you get when you eat turkey, tryptophan, hydroxytryptophan, okay? You can take St. John's wort, okay? Now, you can't mix St. John's wort with antidepressants, okay? That's a no-no. But there's a lot of stuff out there that you can do to treat anxiety and depression, okay? The last couple that I mentioned are just natural cures: vitamin B12, sunlight, things of that nature. So there's just a couple ideas for you guys. When you start to go into the harder drugs, okay, to escape, because that's what people do, is they take drugs and alcohol to escape, okay, it just makes things worse, okay? But all this stuff is coming out, and they're doing clinical trials with all of this kind of stuff, okay? Now, the last thing I wanted to mention was, if cannabis was so bad, why does the government have a patent on cannabinoids? You can look it up. Type in government patent cannabinoids, and you'll find the patent, okay? So just a couple things that I wanted to share with you guys today, and I hope you're all doing well.